Welcome. In front of me is some kind of fake Samsung, and today I'll show you how to hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if the phone has one that you just don't know. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once it turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up together. So let's start right now. This will boot you into the boot mode, so using volume up only, you want to select the first option and confirm it with volume down. First option being recovery mode, as you can see. And this will take you to the, Android with no command, so we need to get past this by holding power key and pressing volume up once, which will bring us to recovery mode. And here we can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, and select delete all user data. Give it a moment for it to finish it up at the bottom. Next thing we should see is data wipe complete, which there it is. And reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more to basically leave the recovery mode and continue the factory reset in the background. Now this will take several minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can unlock the device because there is no setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.